Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review some clay cutters that I bought from Amazon. As far as I know, these are all 3D printed cutters and I wanted to know if they are efficient and sharp enough to make a design. I bought these cutters at a discounted price, so these are quite cheap. So let's try these ones. Yes, this is sharp. I bought similar products before, but those were not so sharp, which is why I wanted to see if these are better or just the same. And the first set is quite good. I'm happy. And I'm using talcum powder here, but you can also use cornstarch. This is just a review video, but you can make a lot of things with these cute cutters. Maybe in the future videos I can create something using these. Let's try the next set of cutters. Very satisfying. These cutters are given in pairs, so you can make beautiful earrings out of it. Sorry, my camera went out of focus. I did not realize this. You can see I'm using the micro cutters here to make a flower. I absolutely love these cutters. Let's try the final product now. These are tiny shelf cutters. These are quite popular nowadays. You can make earrings, you can make keychains, you can also make fridge magnets. So let's see how it works. You have to press really hard. I did not do that, so I'm trying it once again, but even after that I had to cut. Maybe you have to use a little more force. I'm cutting the edges, but you can do it afterwards also. Once it's dry, you can just sand them. They have also given you tiny book-shaped cutters and also these vases to decorate the shelves. This is already looking very cute and I absolutely love it. After this, I decorated a little more. I tried making a plant but couldn't record it because my phone battery died. So here's the final result once they are baked. And I'm putting some details also because I like it that way. Thumbs up from my end for all the 3 products. I'm also giving the link in the description below. You can create a lot of things using these cutters. I hope you like this review video. Thank you. Bye.